Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to turn off audio description on Paramount Plus. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do so, all you need to do is simply open a web browser and type in the URL www.paramountplus.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Paramount Plus, which will then ask you to get signed in. So simply get signed in into your account and you will have this kind of interface on your screen. So now all you need to do is simply scroll down and tap on the show you want to watch. And once you tap it on, you need to tap on Watch Now. So once you have tapped on Watch Now as well, you will have this kind of screen on your interface. So all you need to do is simply tap on the Subtitles plus Audio option on the top right hand side of the corner, and this will allow you to show the audio and subtitles option. So in the audio section, the American English is just the audio and the American English AD is your audio description. So simply to turn it off, you need to select the American English only. So once you do this, you will be successful in turning on your audio description on this particular series. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.